Oo. Yeah, all of you are same. Nakalimutan ko na. Oh, yeah. Oo. Yan, meron na. Nilagay niya na sa ulo niya, oh. All same.
A dress for you.
Oh, that's for your mom.
Ay, for mom pala. Ay,
Oo.
dress for Marley.
Oo, that's for your mom. Tea time na kami. Nagmimerienda na si Elris. Yan.
Kape.
Spaghetti. Nakakape kami. Okay. That's for your mom. Oo.
For you kasi. For ate. Tapos ayaw na mag-dress.
Elris, you must wear dress, ha?
Ayaw niya. Kahit yung ano, sleeveless.
Sleeveless, oh.
Ayaw din niya. Sobrang
Ayan, nagluto ako ng kaldereta. Yan. Tapos, beef caldereta, then chicken and spaghetti. Yan ang aming lunch. Pero now is tea time. Nagutom si Elris, nag-spaghetti. Ako, coffee na lang, tapos konti na lang ang creamer ko and then 1 teaspoon of milk. Creamer. Saan na, Elris? Ay, Marley. Oh, dinosaurs, oh.
No, favorite niya na.
Uy, dinosaurs.
Where are your hands?
This is so big.
Yeah, it's okay. You can
Yeah,
you
you
can
will grow
fold
big.
it. You can use that one until 3 years. Because they don't have sizes, that
Until
one.
you're as big as ate, can fit you.
Yeah, they don't have sizes eh. One hand, ha? Kayang-kaya, ha? One hand, ha, Marley? You know your dad, he played that before, oh. There. That one, oh. He played that one area before.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Stop.
Tama na kayo lilat ko. Ay, na-hands mo. Don't put yourself. Wala ate yung gusto yata ka.
Very good.
The high one.
No. Rest your hands.
My grandchildren, they're playing here in the playground. Nakadalaw sila kay Mamshi. Uy, ang galing-galing niyang umakyat, oh. Okay. Okay. Wow, it's too high, that one. That one is for the adult. Wow. Wow, so strong boy.
Sarah.
If you're going down.
Wow, too strong boy, oh. Mana ka lang talaga sa daddy mo, ah. Ha? Okay lang. Mamaya sasakit na yung balikat mo. Very good. Wow, you can jump. Okay. Go there na ko, oh. On that tree house. Okay. Oh, you climb there.
Halika na, let's go. Let's go na.
Okay, one more there. On that area, baby. Sliding. And then you climb up on that bar. Yeah, no, that side. The other one, you climb it. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, show me. Let me see. You can do it. Wow. Bravo. You're so strong, boy.
No. No.
Huh? Be careful, baby. Don't climb there. Hala. You are like monkey. Mana ka talaga sa daddy mo. You know your dad, he can do that before also when he was kid. We go somewhere else in Discovery Park. You enjoy here? Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh, bye-bye na to my home. Yes, that's my home. Say bye-bye na to my home. See you again. Oh, you wanna buy? No, don't drink that song. Don't drink soft drinks, not good. We are in the park. The park, Discovery Park. Yan. This is Marley who wants to came here. He want to ride here in the bumper car. We got to buy ticket there. Ah, this is the out. Yeah. Yes. Saan tayo bibili ng ticket? Wow, lots of people, oh. Oh, here. Okay, we buy ticket here. Meron pa hanggang 9 o'clock. Magkano yan? Tanungin mo nga. Ayan. It's not good na ko. You shake, 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 oh. It's not good.
Gusto niya, kasi ganun yan. Pero wala na sa
Wala nang time na. Ay, hanggang doon sa loob. Oh, this one also for skating. Ang mahal na orchids. Ang daming boot nila, oh.
Ano yun ba?
Mga phone. Mga paggawa ka ng pictures. Ayan, oh, robot na tray, oh. Ayan. Oh,
Assist lang sa robot.
lahat robot ng kumikil. Robot na ina-assist eh. Wala nang tao. Wawa ng mga tao, hindi na sumasahot at robot na lang. So maraming tao ngayon na wala ng trabaho kung may robot na gumagawa. Ayan oh, 2020 lang oh. Anong dinosaurs yung baby?
Is this one daw?
Anong dinosaurs yan? Arceriton? Okay, and the brown one?
And this one? Marley?
Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus.
Isto?
Ano? Stegosaurus.
Stetosaurus? I cannot hear.
Ah,
How
this
about that one?
T-Rex.
T-Rex. Oh, I knew T-Rex.
T-Rex.
Marley, again, that poodle I give you, for your birthday, That my early presents. Oh, you change your mind? You want a blue one? Huh?
I don't like that one.
I don't like that color. Easy to get dirty.
Marley, look po, lion.
Which one you choose? The blue one, the blue or brown? The brown one is more better.
Meron pa siya.
Okay, so that's one nice, my early birthday for you, early present, I mean to say. That's my gift, early present for your birthday. So I'm not going to give you any present on your birthday.
Napanood mo na tong movie na to, Mi?
Hindi pa. Anong movie yan?
Red Panda.
Red Panda. Red Panda turning red. Yeah, but we saw that one personal. Yeah, the true panda. Yeah, they have that one in Ocean Park. We see that one in Ocean Park, I remember.
The Red Panda in Ocean Park.
Yeah, we have Red Panda. We saw in the Ocean Park.
Living on the Bear.
Marley boy, are you sure you're going to play that teddy bear? Huh? Ay, teddy bear. Is it dog? What's the name of that? Poodle. Are you sure you want to play that one? So that's my early birthday gifts to you, okay? So I'm not going to give you present on your birthday. Promise? Okay. Sige, let's go not to pay for that.
Mommy.
Okay, they go to look around also. What?
This
Oh, I don't see it. Yeah.
is so big, bigger than this.
Bigger than that?
Yeah,
Your ate toys?
It's bigger than this.
Mm.
It's like giant. It's almost cannot fit because it's this one. It's so big. It's giant.
It's giant toys.
Yeah, it's like like that big.
Oh, we are here in Discovery Park, Chunwan. Para meron silang, they have only event. Lahat ng mga paninda, kung gusto nyo magdala ng paninda dito. Ito naman wine. Ito naman perfumes at home. Yung mga toys. Nagugutom na si Bunso. We're looking for ramen. Ayun, no? Eto pa, oh. Ay, hindi. Ramen ba ta? Hindi, rice to. Oh, ayun ang robot, oh. Yan, ang robot. Magde-deliver ng pagkain. Oops, papasok na siya.
Chicken yan. This one. Yan.
I need the one.
Yan, tingin tayo ng baonan ni Elris. Uy, ganito yung akin, 189, no? Yan. Oo. Ay, maliit yan, nako.
Pag ganito, dalaw pa.
Maliit siya. Pero yung parang akin, 2-in-1. Maliit lang yan, nak. Yung may lugo malaki, ganito siya, oh. Ito po, oh. Ito. Yan. Oh. Pwede yung kanin, pwede yung soup.
Pwede dito na straight.
Oo, pwede yung straight. Tapos itong isa, pwede mong rice. Oo. Feel natin nasa Japan tayo. Okay, nagfi-filming, Ma'am Shibet. Dito tayo sa, ramen. Okay, remove your bag, nako. Oh, you order na something, nak?
Talaga?
Yep.
You don't put it there. You put under.
I put under? Oh, very good. Okay, I will put under my bag later. See, my grandson said my bag, put under. Order na kayo, nak.
Mami.
Ate, you same then?
Yeah. Ito, this one, oh. Ay, sabi lang ba? Ito, play na.
Oh, that is the robot one, oh. Ah, ilalagay ko daw yung bag ko dito, oh. Kaso hindi naman kasya. Kasi malaki yung bag ko dito. Sa lalagyanan nila ng bag under the knee of my chair. Dito na lang sa baba. Ayan, oh, niluluto na ang ating mga orders. Ayan. Dito tayo sa may ramen. Busy ang apo ko. Elris. Laki ng mata. Okay, our order is coming. Wow, ang dami pala nito, nak.
Oh, yung sakma. Sino naman?
Is this mine?
Opo.
So much.
Yeah, I want to bake it.
Oh, you break it? Okay, that's good. Mm.
Ay, wait.
It's only half cooked, right? It's like sunny side up.
Actually, not. So hard to squeeze.
Ang pangit. Ganun lang dapat. Oh, let it run lang like that.
I have to like.
Yan mag-mix. Ang pangit mo naman. Anak, you mix not like ano naman. Ginawa mo namang scrambled egg. Mix mo naman properly.
Yeah, we are here in Mame. My order is salad. Ano pangalan niya, nak?
Rainbow salad.
Rainbow salad.
Yeah, now I know why it's
Very colorful, kaya tinawag siyang rainbow salad because it's colorful. Oh, that's one is your ramen. Tingin dito, nak. Okay. 8 o'clock magko-close yung Japanese, no?
Opo.
Ay, Japanese na yung ano.
Sabi salad niya.
Okay. Ano, we go first to take that one? Kasi they're going to close by 8 o'clock. Huh? We are here in Cannes. Live Cannes here. Hello. Okay, you choose which one you like there, nako. Your lunch box. That's one, oh. What color? Yeah. This one is too small inside. This one is medium size. You want this? This one is nice too, anak ko.
This one.
Okay, open it. The color, you like the color?
Yeah, it matched my lunchbox.
I like that color, your lunchbox?
Yeah.
So, on, okay. Oh, can I open it, this one? Can I see the sizes inside?
I think this one's too big.
It's too big, that one?
Yeah.
Okay, cannot reach inside, right?
Yeah.
So it's a little bit tall. That one is medium size.
Yeah.
Okay, so we prefer to take that one, the brown one?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Take it now. Because they're going to close by 8 o'clock. Okay. Yeah. Ang cute, oh. Yeah. Ah, what is that? Like pony?
No, I don't know.
It's like elephant something on.
Okay,
Okay, indication. I'm looking. Sorry, baby. Look at the toilet here. It's quite too big. Look, very wider. Nagmo-model na ako dito, guys. Sige na nga. Malamig na yung pagkain ko. This is just climb. Okay, wow, ang taas nito. This one is the Candy Part Cinema City. That one naman is Logo Smart. Wow, gaganda ng mga cartoons dito. Dito namin binili yung thermos ni Elris. So guys, dito lang tayo sa may baba ng The Part. Discovery Park 21. Okay, I'm going na to my family. We eating ramen. There they are. Ayun. How is it? The taste, baby? Yummy.
Classmate daw ni Elvis.
Oh,
Yun mismo, yung dalawa.
yung dalawa na oo.
Yung dalang maliit.
Gusto niyang palitan?
Gusto mo palitan?
You wanna change? Kaya nga twist mo.
Pang-kulang.
Bili na lang tayo ng isa pa. I'm looking for other one.
Yung maliit na lang.
Oo.
Kasi ito sakto to sa rice mo.
Oo, rice ang importante no ko kasi at least ang rice kasi kailangan mainit mong kainin. Yeah.
Hindi, ulam dapat.
O isa pa bibili na ng pang-ulam.
Hindi, pang-ulam na lang to.
Ate, give me your wing.
Kasi yung soup mabilis na.
Ah, oo. Sa ulam. Tapos yung rice niya, ipuputput na lang niya to doon sa rice. Oo. At para mainit. You playing?
Wings.
You play. Okay, inom muna tayo. Naku na mga ako. Yes, guys. Sarap. Para lang feel ko guys is ano, nasa ramen na Japan. Okay? So, ito naman yung aking pagkain. Salad. Rainbow salad. Okay, wanna put this down. Ay, pause mo na. Let's eat. Ngayon ang kakainin ko is ito lang ano, salad. Kasi kanina kumain ako sa bahay ng rice. May pumpkin. La, as in pilaw.
Fresh na fresh.
Raw, pumpkin. Pilaw. Pilaw na kalabasa. Lahat inilaw. Pilaw na cabbage. Orange. Okay na. Okay, dessert time. What is that one na anak ko? What's the name? Strawberry and chocolate jelly. What it tastes?
Oh, yeah. It tastes like tea. Kind of, but yeah.
Mix it. Maybe.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
It's good taste. Okay. Eat it. Bring it. Ano daw meron sa kanila?
Wala pa, hindi pa nag-record.
Ayan, gumagawa naman sila ng orders. Uy, nasa loob sila. Saan kayo pumasok? Okay, look at here. 1, 2, 3. I cannot see you, baby. Marley. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Umakyat siya. Ay, ano na naman to? Anong animation? Is Kitty? What?
Eh, hindi pa ano lang yan, Discovery Park character. Ay, hindi. Where is this?
is a cat. Oo.
Kala ko ano.
Elvis, anong karakter yan? Cat, ano?
Sila cat?
Oo. Kasi may tail siya, saka yung ulo niya. This one I see there. Climbing. Over there, nako, have. Over there, it's climbing. Marty boy, come here. Don't run and run, nako. You just finished to eat. Okay, let's go to Uniqlo. Ay, dito lang pala yung Starbucks na nila sa baba na. Ala, daming pagbabago na rito. Oo.
Ay, Elisa.
Di ko. Dami ng pagbabago dito sa Discovery Park talaga. Mm.
Si Elisa parang ano yan. Nakakikila ng books pang bago.
Oh, basta books pa, mga ano, books.
Oo. Ang hilig magbasa.
Ay, nakuha niya yung daddy niya, mahilig magbasa.
Basta ang problema. Ang talang libro.
Ala, dami ng pagbabago dito sa Discovery. Dito lang Starbucks, oh. Ala, Uniqlo na dito. Ah, yung blouse na yun, Uniqlo pala yun. Yung stripe, black and white, tapos, oh. Ang dami ko nakikita nun eh. Yan, oh. You find something? Okay, what book you like, baby? Coloring. Rainbows, snow domes. Lunar New Year collection, family and fun. So makapagbasa na si Mali ng Chinese?
Hindi pa. Konti pa lang.
Konti pa lang si Elris.
Sa Elris, mga 60%.
Mm. Pero fluent na siya magsalita ng Chinese. Okay, that's good.
Rating problema ni
Children's literature. For your second birthday, that one?
Yeah, this first, this second, and then by Mama is third.
Third.
Advance lang lahat.
Advance lang.
Hanggang October, bibili mo siya.
Yeah, buy for you every week, every month.
Ano kami, Marley?
Oh, until your birthday, October it's coming.
Yeah, even that you buy.
Mm.
Ami, ito 5 stories na.
Oh, 5 stories inside. Okay. Hmm. So if you buy this one pieces, 1 story only. 1 book. So you lost 4 books. Yeah, that one is 5. So you lost 4 if you buy that one. What's that one called? What's the title? Willow Mouse and the Forgotten Trail. Starfell. Huh? Siya? Ay, yung si ano? Oh. Oh, they found it. What they like it. This one goes. The last one for Elvis already she did. And this one. Biggie, biggie, biggie. Okay. You find it your favorite books. How much? Makano? 10 you want? Take 1? Magamit nyo. Okay, take 1 bag.
Tignan mo, mag-away pa sila. Makapal.
Oo, makapal. It's like bookstore. If Elizabeth. Almost similar.
Mary, how about your dog?
Eh, we buy already their favorite book. So, mommies, she will read the book when they go to bed. Oh, Elvis! Oh, they're going there to play now. Tingin nga tayo ng ano, ng...
Sige, Mego.
Uniqlo. Guys, so we go to Look for Uniqlo.
Ay, parang pantalon ni Elris ah. Oo.
Oh, oo nga.
Oo, pangyan. Ganda yung t-shirt yata eh.
I like the color at the news po. Color.
Hindi dyan eh. Sa likod. Doon yata yung stocks. Ay, hindi. Chingo! Cinnamoroll! Ay, yung bag niya oh. Saan?
Ah, yeah.
Favorite niya.
Same like your bag na to.
Yung birthday niya, di ba? May puro ganyan.
Okay.
Yan lang. Saan tayo nakukuha?
You pull the book. One book. Mama, it says one book because on
Ay, ang lang.
Ah, ganda mi.
how size?
Lambot niyan.
Ang lambot.
Different stories.
Oh, first one. Page 3.
Ganda.
First story. I was
Oo, makeri-keri ko siya kahit saan.
Mama said the answer.
Ganda yan, di ba?
Pero pag summer yan, init niyan mi.
There. I opened it because I was not.
Maganda yun ngayon. Itong weather.
Ha?
Itong weather maganda. Elris, ganda
Ang dami
din
ko na
yan.
pang ilalim. Pero maganda rin siya, di ba?
Ganda din. Di kunin mo na rin eh.
Ito na lang, white or black?
Oo, yung white. Pero baka mainit na yan. Huwag naman M. M lang siguro. Yan.
Pero
Ganda.
maganda siya.
Ganda.
Ang dami ko naman damit na ano pang, pero na-type pang ko. Maganda lang, magkano ba siya?
249.
Super.
Anit kasi. Tingin ka pa dun eh. Kinunan ko na. Okay, move na.
See, plenty na ko. Oh, go play na there, oh. You go play with them, baby. So a lot, so. Wow, so many. Wow, so many. Ah! Wow, plenty. Hi. Wow, beautiful. Wally, look, oh, come on, play with them. Oh, this one, oh, poodle. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Dami nilang po, so, ganyan dito, ganitong oras binababa nila. Oo, tapos mag-meeting sila. Ganyan sinasabi ko kay JM, kailangan niya ilabas-labas, kailangan i-friendship niya yung aso. Ilabas niya, walking niya. Para masanay sa tao. Kaya kung may makitang tao yung aso niya, kinakagat niya. Kasi nga hindi niya sinanay sa labas. Dito na tayo sa labas. Yan ang night na. Ay, ang ganda paggabi.